In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore a deleted workspace and sheet on Smartsheet quickly and easily. If you've accidentally deleted an important sheet or even an entire workspace, don't panic. Smartsheet keeps deleted items for a period of time, and you can restore them in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can recover your work without stress. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Smartsheet guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Log into your Smartsheet account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, this is where most people think their deleted items are gone forever, but they're not. You just need to navigate to the right section. Next, look toward the left-hand side of your screen and click on Browse. The Browse panel is where you can access your sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces. This area gives you full visibility into your Smartsheet structure, including shared content and deleted items. After clicking on Browse, look for the option labeled Deleted Items. Go ahead and click on Deleted Items. This section works like a recycle bin. Any sheets or workspaces that were deleted will appear here, as long as they're still within Smartsheet's retention period. Now you'll see a list of deleted documents. This can include sheets, reports, dashboards, or even entire workspaces, depending on what was removed. Carefully scroll through the list and select the document you want to restore. Make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have multiple items with similar names. You may notice there's also a delete option available here. Be very careful with this button. If you click delete again inside deleted items, that could permanently remove the file depending on your account settings. So only use that option if you're absolutely sure you want to permanently delete something. To restore your workspace or sheet, select the file again from the deleted items list. Once it's highlighted, look for the undelete option. Click on undelete and then confirm by clicking undelete again if prompted. That's it. Your deleted workspace or sheet will now be restored to its original location in Smartsheet. You can go back to your main browse section to confirm that it has been successfully recovered. If you don't see your deleted item, keep in mind that Smartsheet only keeps deleted files for a limited time. If too much time has passed, you may need to contact your system administrator or Smartsheet support to see if recovery is still possible. Restoring deleted content in Smartsheet is actually very simple once you know where to look. Just remember, go to Browse, open Deleted Items, select your file, and click on Delete. It only takes a few seconds and can save you hours of rework. I hope this helped you restore your deleted workspace or sheet without any hassle. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.